Welcome to Woolston SO19 Student Accommodation, where student living in Southampton takes on a whole new dimension. Nestled in the heart of Centenary Quay, Woolston SO19 offers a range of private ensuite rooms tailored to your needs, all while keeping your privacy in mind. Each elegant apartment comes with a curated furniture package, including a cozy bed, comfortable sofa, dining room table, and a beautiful balcony to complete your experience. But that's just the beginning. The amenities here are nothing short of extraordinary. You'll find a cutting-edge gym, lightning-fast Wi-Fi, a serene yoga studio, co-working spaces, and a vibrant residence lounge, and that's friends-worthy in every way. Conveniently situated a short drive from City College and the University of Southampton, Woolston SO19 is perfectly nestled in a vibrant area, surrounded by some amazing locally loved restaurants like Maritimo Lounge and Banana Wharf. And if you're in search of a hassle-free daily commute, Woolston Station is right around the corner. Don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers. Head over to amberstudent.com and secure your dream stay today.